We humans have always sought to make life in the kitchen a little bit easier, striving for convenience and efficiency. From fire to the humble fork, culinary innovation is in our blood. Each tool, each method, a step forward in our quest for better food. But the rise of robots, that's a game changer, folks. It's not just about convenience anymore, it's about redefining the culinary experience. We're talking about a revolution in how we cook, eat, and think about food. Robots are becoming integral parts of our kitchens and dining rooms. Remember the days when a stand mixer was considered high-tech? Those were simpler times, yet they paved the way for today's innovations. Now we've got robotic arms whipping up gourmet meals with precision and consistency that even the best chefs admire. Automated delivery systems bringing food right to our doorsteps, making dining in more convenient than ever before. And even robot farmers tending to our crops, ensuring that the food we eat is grown with the utmost care and efficiency. It's a brave new world of food tech, and it's time we dig in. The future of food is here, and it's more exciting than ever. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's take a step back in time to see where this culinary automation journey all began. Understanding our past helps us appreciate our present. The seeds of culinary automation were sown long before the first robot chef hit the scene. It all started with the need to feed a rapidly growing population. Remember the Industrial Revolution? Factories sprouted up, and with them came machines to make food production faster and more efficient. This era marked the beginning of large-scale food processing. Suddenly, tasks like grinding grain or canning tomatoes that once took hours could be done in minutes. This was a monumental shift in how food was prepared and preserved. It was a game-changer for feeding the growing masses, even if it wasn't exactly glamorous. The efficiency gained was unparalleled. Then came the rise of those handy kitchen gadgets we know and love. These innovations brought automation into the home kitchen. Electric mixers, blenders, food processors, they all promised to save us time and effort in the kitchen, and they did just that, revolutionizing home cooking. And you know what? They delivered. These gadgets became indispensable tools for home cooks everywhere. These early innovations might seem quaint compared to today's robot chefs, yet they were the pioneers of kitchen automation. But they laid the groundwork for the automation revolution that's now sweeping through the food industry. The evolution has been remarkable. They proved that technology could, in fact, have a place in our kitchens, and today that place is more prominent than ever. Fast forward to today, and the robots are here. And they're not just flipping burgers. We're talking about sophisticated machines capable of preparing complex dishes with precision and consistency that would make even the most seasoned chef envious. Take, for instance, the robotic arms now being deployed in restaurants around the world. These mechanical marvels can chop, stir, and sauté with incredible speed and accuracy. They can even plate dishes with an artist's touch. But it's not just about speed and precision. These robots can also help us improve food safety and hygiene. They can monitor temperatures, detect contaminants, and maintain sterile environments, reducing the risk of foodborne illnesses. And the best part? They never call in sick, complain about working conditions, or demand a raise. The impact of robots on gastronomy extends far beyond restaurant kitchens. They're also transforming how our food is grown, processed, and delivered. Let's start with farming. Robots are now being used to plant, fertilize, and harvest crops with incredible efficiency. They can even monitor soil conditions and identify pests and diseases before they become major problems. And when it comes to getting food from the farm to our tables, robots are changing the game there too. Autonomous delivery vehicles and drones are already being used to deliver groceries and takeout meals, offering faster and more efficient delivery options. These advances aren't just about convenience. They're also helping to reduce food waste, lower transportation costs, and make fresh, healthy food more accessible to people everywhere. So what does the future hold for robots in gastronomy? Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get really interesting. Imagine a world where robots can create personalized meals tailored to your exact dietary needs and taste preferences. Or how about AI-powered robots that can develop entirely new recipes and flavor combinations, pushing the boundaries of culinary creativity? And let's not forget about the potential for robots to help us address some of the biggest challenges facing our food system, from reducing food waste to promoting sustainable agriculture. The future of food is automated, and it's looking brighter than ever. Now I know what you might be thinking. Alton, Are robots going to put chefs out of business? Will the art of cooking be lost to machines? And it's a valid concern. The rise of automation in kitchens worldwide has sparked a lot of debate. But here's the thing, I don't think robots are here to replace human chefs altogether. They are not a threat, but an opportunity. Instead, I see them as valuable tools that can enhance the culinary arts. They can bring a new dimension to our kitchens. Think of it like this. Robots can handle the repetitive, time-consuming tasks, the ones that often take up a lot of a chef's time, freeing up chefs to focus on what they do best, creating innovative dishes, experimenting with new flavors, and pushing culinary boundaries, and adding that special human touch that makes a meal truly memorable. It's the personal connection that counts. The key is to find the right balance between tradition and innovation. Both can coexist and complement each other. We can embrace the efficiency and precision of robots while still celebrating the artistry and passion of human chefs. It's a harmonious blend. After all, food is more than just fuel, it's an experience that brings people together. It's about connection, creativity, and culture. These are the elements that make dining special, and that's something that no robot, no matter how advanced, can ever replicate. The human touch is irreplaceable.